Hello viewers, welcome back to Being Healthy and Happy channel. Today we will discuss about hair problems. So the main reason behind these hair problems is not only pollution or the way you are taking food, because we are taking lot of chemicals into our food and we are using lot of chemicals for treating or maintaining our hair. If you have headaches also, hair fall will be there, and especially if you have constipation and if you have gastrointestinal issues, then you will definitely have dandruff or as well as it is a dead material. That is the reason if you cut your hair you don't feel any pain, but if you try to pull your hair then you feel pain, because the roots which are there, they have the cells, live cells. So we will discuss some of the yoga part. I mean, what yoga can help you in your hair issues. Like simple yoga I am going to tell you, that is called Bal Vyayam yoga. For that, what you need to do, you need to fold your fingers like this, and when you fold your fingers, they should direct towards your palm, and fold both of the fingers of your hands and keep them like this, and keep thumbs out. You should not involve thumbs in this. Okay, then keep your fingers like this and start rubbing like this. Keep focus and do it for 2 minutes. At least best before you are taking meal, like maybe 15 to half an hour before your lunch and 15 minutes to half an hour before your dinner. Not only this, yogas like Shashangashan and then Sarvangashan, this kind of yoga can also help you treating your hair issues. Along with this, I will tell you one more mudra that will help a lot in hair issues, that is Prithvi Mudra. Actually, in our palm, this finger represents water, whereas this finger represents fire, and this represents Vayu, and this represents Akash, I mean sky, and this represents Prithvi, earth. So water, Jal, Prithvi, earth, then sky, Akash, then Vayu, air, then this is fire, Agni. So these are the five elements, because yogic sciences believe that we made up of five elements, Panchabhutha. So what you have to do, you have to fold this Prithvi, I mean Artha, and then you touch it with this your thumb like this. Okay, and one more important thing is you should not have bigger nails, because you touch your fingertips, so if you have nails you are unable to touch them. And then one more thing is you should wash your hands before practicing this, so that energy will be flown in a better way. And if you see the finger from sideways, if you see your hand from sideways, it will look like this, and if you see from back side, it will look like this, and if you see from front side, it will look like this. So what you have to do, you have to keep it like this and keep it on your lap. Keep it on your lap. In the same way, in the second hand also, just touch, keep them, yeah, like this, and keep on your lap, both laps, and do it for 15 minutes. And try to take deep breath. How to take deep breath? It is also called belly breath. That means when you breathe in, your stomach should come up, and when you breathe out, your stomach should go inside. So that is the best way you can breathe. If you can do it twice a day, it is even better. Otherwise, at least do it for one time. Early in the morning is best, and try to concentrate on your breathing. So if you practice this Prithvi Mudra for at least 1 month, then you can see the betterment in your hair growth as well as hair issues. For maintaining your hair, don't use any chemical, don't use shampoos, just use Rita and Shikakai. We are going to take head bath tomorrow, so keep them overnight, at least soak them for 6 hours, and then in the morning before you are going to take head bath, mix some warm water and mix it well. So you can generate lot of foam, and with that foam you wash your hair. And in Unani medicinal system also they suggested you should only take 1 or twice head bath. So, and if your hair, if your hair is a bit thicker, then you can also mix little bit of olive oil in the coconut oil and you can use. If your hair is thin, then you can only use coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best oil for hair. You spend 2 minutes every day and just try to massage your scalp like this. After applying hair oil, you just massage your scalp like this slowly. So what happens, that makes the blood circulation to the scalp as well as it strengthens the roots. Hair oil, you need 3 ingredients. 1 cup of, I have taken 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, methidana, mentulu, and then 1 cup of black sesame seeds. Yes, sesame seeds comes in 2 forms. One is white one, another one is black one, and their color suggests that these are helpful for hair. And 1 cup of black sesame seeds, til, black til, nalla nuvulu, and you need at least 3 times of coconut oil. Suppose I am taken with this cup, so I need at least 3 cups of hair oil. I found that this Patanjali virgin coconut oil is better. This I am telling for your reference only. You no need to purchase this. If you can have other hair oil also, you can use, but don't use hair oils which contains chemicals. First we will make them powder. Yeah, we will make these 2 powder, and after making them powder we will mix them and we add to the hair oil at least 3 times of hair oil, and then after adding we will keep them on stove and we boil in a very slow flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we filter them out. So this is the process. So now we'll show you the process. This video, please share, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.